Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video tutorial will guide you about how you can download your terminal examination question papers, how you will upload it, your answer sheets in the Google Forms. For the successfully uploading your answer booklets into the Google Forms, it is required to please clearly focus on this video and follow all these steps as discussed in this video. First of all, you have to go to your subject Google Classroom, and on the classwork tab, you will see an activity with the title Terminal Examination Spring 2020. You have to click the terminal exam and click on the view assignment. And the view assignment interface, you will be viewing 4 different kind of links. First one is the link of the Google form. Second one is the copy link of the Google form. If you are unable to click or open the Google forms directly, you can copy this link and paste it in your browser. You will be able to sign into the subject final paper Google form. Then there is the question paper that has been uploaded by the teacher in the PDF format. First of all, it is requested to please open the question paper and download it. You can see if you will directly click on this question paper, there will be no option to download this question paper. Rather, you have to click and open link in a new tab. When you will open the question paper in the new tab, you will be having the option of downloading this question paper or getting print of this question paper. You can download this question paper, understand the question paper completely, and then coming towards your Google Classroom, there is a Word document which will be the answer booklet. You will click on this answer booklet. This will be the more or less like the same answer booklet as you will be receiving in your face-to-face teaching mode. Similarly, you have to right click it and open link in a new tab to download this answer booklet. By clicking on this icon, download this answer booklet. It will be downloaded in your computing device. Open this answer booklet, click on the enable editing button, and first of all, write your name. For example, the name of the student is Ali Ahmed and his registration number is 123/FBS BSBI F19. Please write your complete registration number and then read all these instructions clearly. First of all, I want to mention here is that the total time for downloading the question paper, attempting it and uploading it in the Google Classroom is 8 hours. After 8 hours, you will not be allowed to submit your question paper by any means in the Google Forms or the Google Classrooms, and your paper will be considered cancelled. This has been written in your question paper instructions also. You are required to please don't change these question papers. Now what you have to do, you have to attempt all your answers with respect to each question on plain white neat pages with blue pen, and you have to mention your name, registration number, page number, and you have to sign each sheet of your handwritten solved answer sheets. Please make it sure that you have to insert the clear pictures and you have to insert the correct images or pictures, because you will not be allowed to resubmit the answer booklet. Secondly, you can take pictures by using mobile camera and scan each page of your document. You will be having another video tutorial for how to solve all these steps using your mobile device. Here you have to and then after inserting the images, you have to convert this file in the form of the PDF so that no one can change your uploaded answers. Then at point number 5, there is an honesty pledge. The honesty pledge says that you will not be involved in any kind of unfair means or cheating, or if you found guilty, your paper will be cancelled and university rules and regulations will be applied on you. Then you have to confirm this honesty pledge by clicking on this checkbox. When you will click it, the checkbox will be checked, and then start inserting images from page number 3. For the question number 1, suppose you have saved the pictures on your hard drive by taking images using your mobile camera, and you can send these images to your device by emailing to yourself or by web WhatsApp. Insert these images, adjust it or crop it as necessary. It will be for question number 1. Then for question number 2, you can insert as many images as you can or as they are required. This is the tutorial video, so I'm only inserting here only one picture. After making this, after inserting the images, please re-verify that you have inserted the correct images and you have completed all the minimum requirements or the required requirements. Click on the file button, click on the save as button, and save this file as PDF. Sample course underscore answer booklet. Save this file as PDF. Click on save. And the file will be saved as PDF. You can re-verify the file as you have written the name, registration number, and you have inserted the actual required images according to that question. Then coming towards your Google Forms, in your Google Classroom, click on this Google Form link, enter your name here, enter your complete registration number here, and click on the file upload to add the PDF file that you have created right now. If you will create some other format file, then you will not be allowed to upload it. Click on the submit button and your response will be recorded. Thank you so much.